Imagine if Rengoku became a demon, like Akaza wanted him to. What would he look like? Well, Goo Hit X Goo Hit. Goo It X Goo It on Instagram has imagined this, and I'm going to draw it. I'm on the landscape page. Use a pencil, an eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. So let's go for this. So big Rengoku eyes. So center point of my page is about here. Eyes will be along the halfway. And we'll just go for this. A big curve. Big demon slayer. Curved eyes. Boom. His eyes are all black inside, but we can just make out the other side of it. So it goes down this way then. And into his tear duct, just here. And actually drawing the tear duct in Demon Slayer. So then he's got like big eyelashes around, right? And it's like even bigger than when he was human. So it goes like up and around this way. And then like spikes out the back, right, real big. And down into his eye. Down there, right? So crazy big. And you can color this black. Then he's got big eyebrow. We'll just add this up here before we do the rest. Yeah, and then eyelid lines just in here. His iris then, big yellow circle. Just coming down from the top eyelid line, like so. So he's got like the upper moon symbols on the inside. So just some like calligraphy sort of writing on the inside. It's not probably going to be super accurate, but we will do our best. You can change this, of course, if you don't like the style of it. So I don't know if this says Upper Moon 1 or 2 or what, but would he be Upper Moon 1? Would he be Upper Moon 1? Right, that kind of a thing. And his eyes seem to be just black. I don't know if we could add cracks and stuff, but maybe we'll just leave it smooth. So we'll go over and do his other eye. Maybe there's like some stress lines around here because he's kind of corrupted and stuff. And then we'll do the other eye, right? So again, same sort of thing again, big curving eye. Tear duct at the front. And then it spikes down here. And then you gotta add these spikes at the front, true Demon Slayer style, thicken up the eyelid line. It goes right up the back and down. Just color it dark then, right? Boop. Okay, and then like some stress lines and stuff around the eye, like so. Okay, so then big, well, we could do, yeah, we'll do the iris on this side. Big circle coming around. And then again, we've got like some calligraphy on the inside, different to the other side. Just this writing, not really sure what it says. Like so. And then his big eyebrow again. Spiking. And then an eyelid line just coming around there. Extra sort of eyebrow lines. And then his nose. So we got his nostril here, here. And then they do some hatching on the tip of the nose in true Demon Slayer style. And his mouth. So starting just underneath his pupils, we've got like these dimples, right? Just there. And then it kind of comes across, down in the middle, back up and up to the corner. So it's kind of like a bumpy line, and it could be thicker sometimes, like in the middle, like just if you wanted to add, make it look like there's a bit of a shadow on his lip or something. And then we got that triangle, like so. So, chin, and then his complicated hair. So we'll go chin, right? So chin just down here in the middle, relatively pointy, like that. And then we will go, he's got kind of like a love heart shape for a face, right? So you're going to about there. It starts to change direction for his jaw, right? So it'll start turning at about the level of his mouth, right? So it'll start to go like up this way. It'll go right by these eyelashes. And then we get all those hair spikes, right? His hairline. So we get like all this. And he actually has devil horns up here, but we'll just get the main parts of his hair in first. And then we can put in the horns. And we can erase anything we shouldn't see anyway. Okay. He has red lines coming down his face, red spikes. Well, in this design he does anyway. And then horns coming up his head here, right? So you got the base of it just coming out from his forehead here, and then it just goes up like that, just coming out of his head. And if you want, like, you can give it sort of like some skin texture lines around, kind of like Hentengu sort of. And I might actually make it cracked like Hentengu's. Right, and of course you'd erase those lines there. Do the same thing on this side. Right, and then it kind of bends around the top and down, and then we'll give it sort of Hentengu style skin there, and then some cracks. And then he has another red spike here. Okay, so now all of his hair. So he's got two levels to his hair. He's got his fringe and then the back, right? So see, like coming up from the middle, right? We'll start the fringe here. So we'll go spike like that, right? And then this comes all down around his ears and everything. Right, same on this side. We'll break it up into sections. And this long piece sort of is where his ear is. Right, hooks down. Boop. We have red hair spikes here. Like so, and something else on this side. Okay. And then his ears are just in behind here. Right, just these sort of curved lines, small, like that, and then like some ear lines inside. Like so. And then we give his hair some like texture, and they just do it like a letter Y kind of thing. It's just little lines like this. Okay. And then he has like longer pieces that hang down, and then a longer hair at the back as well. So one spike here. Three large spikes there. Okay, like some textures. Okay, so he's another layer in behind that hangs down like from his shoulders. Okay, so like at the top of his head, we'll go like here. And then like goes this way. And this will have like texture lines that go like that, right? And this like hangs down back here somewhere. So like sort of this. Right, and his shoulders come off here. Okay, and right, neck, just here. Right, then his collar just comes across, touches his chin. Kind of, his body must be turned a little bit, right, because the middle of it is just here. You could put it bang in the middle if you wanted, of course. I'm just copying the picture. Collar, neck muscles, Demon Slayer button. Of course, he's not a Demon Slayer anymore, but he still has the uniform. I wonder, would he still wear the uniform if he was a demon? Probably not. Like that, and then the shoulders and his cloak. He definitely would be wearing the cloak anyway. Some white going this way. Pocket. White cloak here, shoulder. Going down. Boom, boom. Demon Rengoku. Looks cool. Bit more hair texture actually just in here before I forget. alternate timeline. Would like to see it though. Bring him back. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.